Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to download and install NEXUS 4 on your digital audio workstation. You can find the download link on my channel in the description below the video. Download the file, unzip the archive, and run the installation file. NEXUS 4 has an advanced librarian, which is designed to make it easy to catalog sounds and find what you're looking for. The Arpeggiator Deluxe allows access to all 16-layer arpeggiators as well as the main arpeggiator. There is now a full visualization of the effect signal flow. There are also new effects, like a glitch processor and OTT compressor. Wait for the installation process to complete. I'll demonstrate how the plugin works in FL Studio software. Launch the software. Refresh the list of plugins. Now, NEXUS 4 appears in the list of plugins. I will now give you a demonstration. The program is already activated. You do not need to perform any additional actions.